I've tested a lot of AI video tools trying to get consistent characters across multiple clips. The output is almost always the same. The character shifts between shots, the background doesn't match, and the whole thing feels like it was stitched together from 5 different sessions. After testing basically everything out there, I found the one model that actually solves all of that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, from building your reference assets to generating multi-shot clips with consistent characters, matching locations, and audio all baked into a single output. The model is called Seedance 2.0 and it lives inside OpenArt. I've left the link in the description if you want to follow along. Before we touch the video tab, there's a step most people skip, and it's the reason most AI video content looks disconnected and random. Seedance 2.0 works from reference images. Your characters and your location need to exist as actual images before you generate a single frame of video. The more detailed those references are, the more consistent everything stays across every clip. So that's where we start. Head to the OpenArt homepage and click on Image, then Create Image. Inside the workspace, click the model selector and switch to Nano Banana 2. This handles sharpness and detail better than anything else at this stage, and that quality carries directly into what Seedance produces later. Now write your character prompt. Be very specific, exact clothing colors, hair, expression, lighting direction. All of that detail is what gives Seedance enough visual information to keep your character recognizable across multiple clips. If your reference image is vague, that inconsistency will show up in every video you generate from it. Set your resolution to 2K and hit generate. Do the same for your location. A clean establishing shot of the environment your scene takes place in. Once you have both references ready, head back to the main dashboard. Click on Video. Inside the video workspace, open the model selector and choose Seedance 2.0. Then select text with reference as your generation mode. This is the mode that makes everything work. You're not just describing a scene and hoping the AI figures out who your character is, you're handing it the exact visual it needs before it generates anything. Click Upload Media, then Image, and load in your character and location references. That's how Seedance keeps everything consistent from shot to shot. Set your duration to 15 seconds, resolution to 720p, aspect ratio 16:9, and make sure audio is turned on. Now, before I paste in the prompt, I want to explain how to structure it, because this is the thing that most people get wrong. You need to break your prompt down shot by shot. Write shot 1, describe what happens, then shot 2, and so on. If you just describe a scene without that structure, you'll get one static camera angle for the full 15 seconds. The shot-by-shot breakdown is what unlocks the multi-shot generation, and that's what makes this model genuinely different from everything else right now. I'll paste in my prompt and generate. What comes back moves through multiple shots in one generation. A wide establishing shot, a closer exchange, a reaction, all from a single prompt. The character stays consistent, the location holds across every cut, and the whole thing feels like it belongs in the same world. Look, it's not going to be flawless every time. You'll see moments where the movement gets a little stiff. That's just where the technology is right now. But the character holding across cuts, the background staying consistent, the camera actually moving between angles, nothing else is doing that at this level in a single generation. And the audio comes out with the clip, ambient sound, impact sound, all of it. Generated alongside the video without any separate sourcing or syncing in post. For anyone producing content at scale, that alone saves a lot of time. From here, the process is identical for every additional clip. Paste your next shot-by-shot prompt, tag your references, and generate. Your character and location stay consistent across all of them because the references are locked in. With this workflow, you can build any scene, any story, any project, and everything holds together visually from start to finish. And with OpenArt, you get Seedance 2.0 and every other top generation model all under one subscription. If you want to start generating your own multi-shot videos today, click the link for OpenArt in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.